What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you the Nomad-ADV racks. Since I now have access to multiple luggage systems through my friends, I can show you the original purpose of the Nomad-ADV racks. These are mounted on the side. I'm using this system with Lonerider gear, the Overlander and the Minibags on the side, 6 liters. These racks are originally designed for the use with a rackless system on the back. But first, let's get these racks on. Alright, now bring the Lonerider stuff. This is the Lonerider 30 liter Overlander bag, and this one I'm always using. So now that the bags are fully secured, let's throw in some cinematic shots at a more pretty environment. On my way back, I picked up the Giantloop Mojave and the Giantloop Rogue Drybag. Got these from a good friend of mine. I want to show you how these work with the Nomad-ADV side carrier racks. Alright, now that's taken care of, let's go somewhere else and take some cinematic shots again. I hope you have a better view now on different kind of bags attached to the Nomad-ADV racks. They recently launched the side carrier racks for the Ducati Desert X as well. They called the Sherpa racks. Go to the website, I will show you everything on the screen. Click through everything, see what they got. Nomad-ADV side carrier racks and the top rack in combination with different kind of luggage systems. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.